So today, I took the yak out onto Little Clear Lake, trying to catch me some 10-pound bass. That water did. So clear. Little calm 1.5 pounder to start the morning off. Caught them off a bad wedge. I didn't think they were still bedding, but I guess they are. Then I tried to catch this a little better under this dock. Only thing he would look at it was a glide, but he was too small for it. Yeah, I had to go swimming for this fish, but I'm black, so I can't swim for a Dinkosaurus made me go swimming. Then I caught another 1.5, 2-pounder, and I broke off on him 2 seconds before I retied and cast back in there, and he ate it, and I got my hook and bait back. Like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe.